Hello there. So this is my peace of mind. If at all you want to understand color grading, there is something that is very important that most people tend to miss out when it comes to explaining and giving the final details. So I've watched so many videos on YouTube right here, and so many people out there miss out this very important thing about color grading, which is having a monitor that is going to be displaying for you accurate colors at the end of it. Also, you can't color grade in case you can't see the colors well or accurately on the monitor or screen that you're trying to use. So the first step to color grading is ensuring that you get a monitor or computer or laptop that is going to be displaying for you nice and accurate colors, because this is the very first and very important step that people tend to miss out every time they're trying to educate or teach someone about color grading. Because if you are color grading on a monitor that is showing you inaccurate colors, it means however much you try to color grade, at the end of the day, when you deliver it to your client or when you post it online, the colors are going to be looking weird. So in case you do videography or you do photography, this is what you have to invest in. Invest in a computer or monitor that is going to be displaying for you nice and accurate colors as a photographer or videographer, in case you want to color grade the right way. So after getting that, you can proceed and you watch all those color grading videos, and this is going to be helpful to you as a photographer at the end of the day. So my recommendations for monitors, I can recommend the BenQ monitor. We have some LG monitors that are going to be displaying for you accurate colors, but these are somehow expensive. Yeah, they come out at a very high budget. So I would recommend that you save enough money and you buy those monitors, because this is going to be a one-time in life investment to you or to your business as a photographer. So invest in that. And laptops, we have so many. We have most new Windows laptops come with good and accurate colors, but remember, you're going to be getting that laptop at a high budget or the high end of your budget. So make sure you get that. And another recommendation that I use personally, I use the MacBook. So MacBooks usually show nice and accurate colors out of the box. So this is going to be somehow cheaper, because you can get the 2017, 2018, 2019 versions at a slightly affordable price that you can use to color grade. So the most important step for color grading is ensuring that the monitor that you're trying to use to color grade is showing you accurate colors. So invest in that monitor that is going to be displaying for you accurate colors. So do your research. Don't just buy any monitor that you come across. Invest a lot of time in researching and finding out the accuracy of the monitor that you are going to buy before you even purchase it. So this is it for this video, and you can drop your suggestions for good monitors, good. And by the way, the iMac computers are also going to be displaying for you right colors. So in case you have any recommendation about good laptops that show accurate and good colors, both Windows and for Mac OS, you can drop it in the comment section so that someone out there can benefit from this and they can use that as a stepping stone to getting a monitor that is going to be beneficial to them as a business. I'll see you in yet another video.